Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Sign into OneDrive and confirm the desktop client is installed. Once signed in, open the OneDrive settings and check your storage quota so you know capacity limits. Next, pick the folder you want to back up. Make sure it contains only the files you intend to sync. Finally, confirm OneDrive is running in the tray or menu bar so the client can accept your folder selection and start the sync process immediately. Open OneDrive settings and go to Backup, then Manage Backup to take control of what syncs. Select the built-in folders like Documents or Pictures, or choose Add a folder to include a custom path. This ensures continuous protection. Make sure the toggle for automatic backup is on so new files sync without extra steps. If you have large files, consider excluding heavy temp folders. This keeps initial upload time reasonable and avoids using excessive bandwidth or storage. Once the backup runs, monitor the OneDrive icon for syncing status and any error badges. This tells you progress and problems. Next, open the OneDrive web app or your synced folder in File Explorer to confirm files are present and accessible. Spot check a few documents to verify integrity. If syncing stalls, sign out and sign back in, then restart the OneDrive app. If that fails, reset the client, which preserves files, but rebuilds the sync related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.